Hi, everyone. I chose to do my two apps of Google Calendar and InSync with Google Keep. They're both apps of scheduling, keeping track, and they both, of course, because they're Google, they have a collaborative piece to it as well. I'm sure most of you know how to do Google Calendar, but I just thought I'd show you maybe a little bit something else that might help you that you haven't done before. So first of all, here's my Google Calendar. I have a lot of stuff on mine. I put almost everything on mine. I've been using this since 2016, so I can go back and look, 4 years ago and see what I was doing. Basically, I mean, I'm not super organized, but I could go back and look. If you notice here, mine is not color coordinated, which somebody was making fun of me before when I was like, I'm a big calendar person. But no, I do not color coordinate mine. I don't have the time for it, but a lot of people do. Notice all mine are purple. That's my events. You can write reminders, right? If I wanted to do a task or something, I could color coordinate that. And if this is obviously the website, but I will say that one nice thing about this app, it's great as an app on your phone, and it's also so good and easy to use on your computer. Whereas some other, when I use Google Flights, I haven't liked the app. I like using the web search better. But this is one where the app is just as easy as the website. So as you can see, I keep personal things on here. I keep professional things. I have like a little vacation where I'm staying. I had some I have, like some teaching things, right? School spirit today and things like that. I also have another Gmail, which is less busy. I have the Packer schedule on here. And this here is my hockey schedule, actually. And this was actually shared to me. Let me make sure. Yeah, this was shared to me by my manager of my hockey team. I have that on here as well, so it's double dipped. But I color coordinated my hockey games as purple. That's or as this whatever magenta color we want to call it. It has the location, it has the time. Super easy. It was shared with me by this person. Okay, when I want to add something, it's very simple. I go on the date and I just click add it, and I can choose a color if I want. Let's go. Whatever, 653, let's say test. And right, as you can see, there are appointment slots, reminders, tasks, out of office. I basically do most things as an event. And here it's usually on all day, but if I add a time, it's very easy. Set aside a time, okay. If I needed to add someone and make this a collaborative thing, I could just simply add their email address, right? And it would instantly email them and remind them about this event. I could add more people. I could add a Google Meet, which is like a Zoom. Add rooms or location, right? You can type in any location and this will connect right to your Google Maps. So let's see if sorry, rooms, sorry. I meant to do that here. What if I can add my... Right, boom. All right. And so this will pop up on my phone as a notification one day before. I can change this, right? I can make no notification, what have you. I usually don't like them, but sometimes I forget. And there you have it on October 12th. And then I could send this to the guest. Well, and of course I'm outside that observation. So here it is. This is in the past, which wasn't very smart of me. But so here it is on my Google Calendar. When you use the website here, as you can see, there are these links on the side. And there are also, see, these are subscribed calendars. So you can add, I'm subscribed to, I was Holidays in New Zealand when I was living there, but I have my Dragons hockey here. I have the Packers schedule. And I can put on holidays in the United States, which I usually have on. I accidentally turned that off. I can look on here and subscribe to any calendar, sports or what have you. There's all sorts of different ones. There is a little thing on Insights. I don't use that very much. Something for you to look into about work time and meeting time. My main thing is over here with Keep. I think this is an awesome app. So wait. if you click on here, you get this sidebar and you can add a quick keep note. I'll show you this on my other calendar. It's synced to this one, of course. So here are just some notes, and I just take random notes. This is some random person told me a crappie recipe for making fish, and I wrote it down. This is notes on softball. This is the height of a window that I need a new shade for. This is a good barber for my boyfriend in town. This is my IBM information. I put the most random things on here. Here's a picture of my boyfriend's frequent flyer miles for Frontier. I put the most random stuff. Any ideas on there? I put Christmas gift ideas. I put recipes. I put you name it. I chuck it on there. And of course, I'm gonna close out this, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the website form. What's cool about this is it's completely synced up with your Google Classroom, and you again can color coordinate. I am not super, organized that much, but I can create reminders, which is cool. And so let's say I want to do this is something I might do, a grocery list, and then I could turn this into a list, a to-do list. I'm a huge list person. Let's say I need butter, milk, eggs, whatever, your basics, bread, okay? And if I wanted to, I could share this with my boyfriend or my partner or whatever. And so if I said, okay, next time you go to Costco or whatever, get this stuff, so I could easily share this, and he will get an email notification of this. And if you don't have the app, he will just get the list in picture form. Another cool thing about this is I can put it on my calendar, and of course it will show up and notify me as well. But my favorite feature about this is that I can pick a place. So, maybe sometimes I'll put in home, and I have that saved. Do I have it saved? Oh, well. Let's say, let's change that. Let's say I'm going to Pick and Save. Okay, what have you. So when I go in, the location will cause it to notify me. I do this for taking out the garbage when I go home, or if I need to bring something to school, I'll put a note. And so that when I go home, I know right away, oh yeah, I got to do this. So this is one of my favorite features. And I can close this, and there's your notes. There's my reminders. So again, random stuff. I put every idea, whenever people are I write good golf courses I haven't gone to, I write it down here. Yeah, I think that's all I have. I really like Google Notes. It syncs up with Google Calendar, of course, and it collabs really well. Thanks for listening. Sorry, one last thing I forgot to add is what it looks like on your phone. So here, let me do this. And I know, go to close up. Whoa, sorry. But so if you look, it is the background on my phone. So every time I open up my phone, I see my calendar. I recommend it to everyone. It keeps me to remember everything. Hopefully I still forget, but I would 10 out of 10 recommend doing that with your phone. I know it doesn't look very cool. All right, if I look in here, Google Keep Notes, same deal. There's my notes, right? They're not listed, they're not organized, but I know to look through them. But again, I use this every day, and I have for many years. So thanks.